Today we're at Friedens Evangelical Lutheran Church in Saucon Valley, which is near Bethlehem along the old Bethlehem Pike. The original church was built in the 1700s. This historic church was reconstructed in 1839. They have over 20 Revolutionary War tombstones, which I'm going to be working on today, and we'll be showing you the cleaning of one of my favorite type of stones, the tiger marble. We've sprayed it down with D2 about a week ago, and I hit it up again today. I'm now going to go over it with a light brush and see if we can't bring back the lettering on this stone. I'll show it to you in quick motion. Here's a small tiger marble stone that I really can't read. Let's see how this one cleans up. The tiger marble came out pretty nice. We'll let it dry and it should end up looking much nicer even than this. These are after they've dried a bit. They'll continue to look better as time goes on. A lot of Pennsylvania German.